Well, it's a new day, and here at the blade plant, waiting to unload, or waiting to load, not unload. And waiting on Glendon, really. He's not even here yet. Supposed to be here at 7 o'clock. It's 6:52. I'm a few minutes early, but typically they would be here. I don't know where they're at. Look who decided to show up. Ready to get this show on the road. Literally ready to get it on the road. I had to move, and then as I was moving, I noticed them pulling in, but I was parked right there. Well, that forklift started hooking onto that blade, so I was figuring that I was probably in the way. It was a good spot to get my tire air back up, though. Alright, so we're loaded, getting ready to leave here. And we're gonna probably make Vermilion, South Dakota. Put that hard up. I gotta shed some clothes off. It's gonna be a long ride. Not a long ride. It'll be a long ride with it on. Anyways, good news is we're loaded. Got our pilot cars waiting on us back there. Had some over there. And we're waiting on paperwork, and we're gonna hit the road. Well, we got about an hour and a half, a few minutes more than an hour and a half until we get to Vermilion. I gotta edit the video from last trip, and I'm already on my third video since I've been out. But cruising down the road, pretty good. Temperature's only 32 out though. I'm glad that it's warmer in here than it is out there. I've had a vehicle where it wasn't warmer in here, or if it was, it wasn't much. Heater didn't work. So we got about 30 miles to go till we get there. I just heated me up leftover jambalaya from in there. I pulled it out of my cooler there, but it's getting hot on my leg. I'm gonna eat it. Tell you what, I'm full. You just can't beat that. That was pretty good. Got a little bite to it. Oh man. We still got 17 minutes to go, 22 miles. Basically, I ate that in about 10 minutes. Pulling into the truck stop. He's gonna pull around here and get some fuel first. And then hopefully that spot over there where that FedEx truck is at, it's clear, but it doesn't look like it is. I have to see if he'll move.
Yes, sir. There where we parked, there's a pickup with a camper over there in our way. If you see if he maybe collects them to move real nicely.
I don't think I ended my video off last night. But I'm up this morning. We're ready to go. We got cars waiting, pilot cars waiting, and I'm just sitting here. I done did everything I need to do to get ready to go. Now I'm just being warm.
Well, he's out here.
Y'all check this out. We're leaving the truck stop here, and over to my left, I see there's a full moon. I don't know if y'all can see that in the picture or not. But over here, the sun's coming up. Pretty sure that there will be a full moon and a full sun in the sky at the same time. Well, we're back at the Sack and Fox. Got another blade behind us. But,
I'll change my shirt real quick and I'll be ready, Chris.
just getting fuel. Looks like we're ready to go. Y'all check this out. 70 degrees. Feeling nice. I had to turn the AC on a little bit. If we make it all the way to Garden City today, which is a little over 2 hours out, we won't have to go anywhere tomorrow. So I'll be camping out, hanging out, sitting around. May go on a walk, may go look for something to do. I don't know. But definitely gonna figure something out. Alright, so we made it to the yard here in Garden City. That's the third blade backing in there. We're about to go eat as soon as they get parked up. I'm ready, so stay on schedule. This has been a lazy Sunday. I don't remember if I did an outro for last night, but if I didn't, we went and had dinner with one of the guys. His birthday was a couple days ago, but we were too busy to go and have dinner, so we did his birthday dinner last night. I didn't drink. Everybody else drank. I left after I was done eating. But yeah, it was pretty cool. We had some Louisiana style food. I've had better, but it wasn't bad. Place is called Walk-Ons. Today I'm going to be taking Glendon shopping so he can get some stuff that he needs. So I got to clear my seat out and get the car ready to go, get all the stuff off the windows so I can see to drive. And yeah, that's what I have planned for the day. Alright, so I think I'm going to try to get a car wash. I am well overdue for one. So, to the car wash I go. Apparently the car washes are closed this time of year here. They got the gates all closed up. Can't even get in there. I was gonna get a car wash before I went and got Glennon. He never did get up, so I went to moving around by myself, waiting on him to get up. So I guess I'll go get him since I can't get a car wash. Well, we got all our running around done. It is 1:58. I am on my way to a little food trailer, whatever it was. Gonna get me some grub because the stuff there looked pretty good. So I am headed in that direction. What we got going on here, Jock?
I'm just doing some afternoon grocery cooking.
Jock's making us seafood. We're gonna have a couple of styles of crab leg, some shrimp, some sausages, some corn. What'd you say? You got some taters too?
Taters, onions, oranges,
all the good stuff. All of the good stuff, not just some of it. He's already got his gas on. What's the lime and the orange do for it?
Just cuts some of the, a lot of people don't like real spicy. Just kind of cuts some of the spice out, which I like mine spicy. But
I like mine kind of spicy
It
too.
just changes the flavor profile.
Yeah, it looks like we're making some
Looks
juice.
like we're making juice.
I've never done it with oranges and lemons. I've always just thrown it in the water with my seasoning. Other side.
Oh,
Oh, the other side is, yeah, there you go. Lost her.
I didn't get a piece anyway.
No, probably didn't. We call him Eskimo. He goes up north in the winter time up in like North Dakota, and he'll wear shorts like that. And the locals be like, "Oh, you're not from around here, are you?" He's like, "Nope." And they're like a little farther north, and he says, "Nope, a lot further south." He's just spent so much time in the south getting hot that he wants to cool off really good in the winter. Well, we're getting closer to cooking. Got the sausages, the corn, the onion, potatoes, mushrooms. All that's in there. Can't wait to throw in some of this shrimp or crab or something else. I'm hungry. How far along are we on this boil?
Got much time left to go.
Hell yeah. I'm about to start grubbing now. All right, so I am all cleaned up from our little cookout we had. It turned out pretty good. We ended up having more people show up, so I didn't do a lot of filming, but got my bed put back together, got my pots put up. So we got to unload in the morning, and after that we're gonna head back up. It's gonna be -4 in Grand Forks, North Dakota. I'm not thrilled about that, so that's gonna be in the next video. Good morning. It is yet another day. It's Monday. We're here in Garden City about to unload. It's a little earlier than what I imagine they're gonna have us moving around, but nevertheless, I'm ready to go. And we're off. We're all shrunk up, ready to go. I gotta throw some trash away and hit the road, Jack. But we gotta come back for the next load. Well, I made it back here to Vermilion. I was gonna catch the sunset real well, but I ended up getting busy editing video and forgot all about it. But oh, it's been a long day. I'm about to head inside and stretch my legs and use the facilities. So I woke up this morning and it was about 45 degrees, about 6:30. It is now 7:24 and the temperature is 30 degrees. That's a major drop. I was already getting up, but I noticed I kept getting colder and colder. I was like, wait a minute, what's going on here? So I figure it's time to get up anyway. I'm gonna start headed north. If I want to be cold, I might as well get to where I gotta get. So get up there and hang out, do some shopping, take a shower, whatever the case may be. Right now I'm having to keep, look at my hair. Anyways, right now I'm having to keep the steering wheel pulled to the left because the wind is pulling so hard to the right. You can't tell, but you might be able to hear it in this video. I have no clue, but the wind is blowing so strong right now. That's probably why the temperature dropped so drastically. Gonna use a lot more gas mileage going north now. The wind's, I think, coming straight down, but it's also coming from the left a little bit. I don't know. So, I'm on my way. I apologize for the wind noise in advance. I just wanted to get this out there real quick. I guess it's snowing pretty good up there in Grand Forks. So, I'm trying to get up there as quick as I can, but I might have to pull over and wait. I don't know if I'm going to be able to make it through. It's looking pretty rough up there. Anyways, that is the update. Well, it's looking like I'm not even going to get to Grand Forks today. This is the road closures, and I can't make it up there as of right now. It's pretty bad. A guy I work with sent me a picture of the road. He said there's 3 foot of snow on the road. He's parked on the shoulder. He said he feels like the wind's gonna blow him over. Man. So we're gonna stop here in Watertown at the restaurant truck stop area. Like I said, one of the videos before, it's kind of like a second home. We spent a lot of time there, so I'm comfortable with that. Anyways, that is the plan, stopping in Watertown. Y'all remember whenever I told you that we call him the Eskimo? That's why we call him the Eskimo. He's got a hat on to keep warm, and he's got shorts and a t-shirt on. Oh, Jock, you're something else, man. It is the end of the day. I'm actually going to idle my car all night tonight because it's supposed to be pretty cold here. I did not go to Grand Forks today. I'm going to get up in the morning and go. It is a little warmer here than it is in Grand Forks, but I'm still going to idle my car because I just don't want it to get as cold. I had an issue one time up here. It was sub-zero temperatures, and my oil cooler froze off the block, off the top of the engine, something, and it started spewing oil all over my transmission from the back, and just don't want to take that chance. So I'm going to idle it to keep it warm and then drive up in the morning. So see y'all tomorrow. Hey y'all, just realized that I didn't end this last video with an outro of any sort. But I do think it's probably better this way, because usually the only time I think about it is when it's dark and I'm laying in bed. So, with that being said, if you like what you see here, comment, let me know what y'all think. Give me a thumbs up, ring that dinner bell, subscribe, you know, all the fun stuff. But if you don't, that's fine. I just want to let you know I really appreciate you hanging out.